Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to blur a photo in Instagram story. Now this is quite simple to do, so follow me till the end and you guys will get the idea of how to add the blur photo effect through your story. Now once you're here in the profile, you can click on the bottom plus symbol. Once you do that, you can swipe right to go into story mode, and over here you can click a picture to add an effect to it. Now how do you add more effects or the effects that are not available in your browser? So all you have to do is to go right and make sure you swipe all the way until the end and click on the browse effects button. Once you're here, you can search for the blur effect. Just type in blur, click on search and select any of the presets that are available. Once you've selected one of them, you can go back to that preset. This is the one that I found best. And yeah, once you're happy with the effect, just click the picture and that is it. You have now successfully added the blur effect to your photo. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.